That is some view, and the camera is definitely not giving it away. Another early start to our holiday. It takes ages to strap the bags.
A bit late.
As always. Today a long journey actually, down from Murchison Falls to Lake Mburo. So it's going to take us a whole day to get there, I think. But I'm sure we'll be passing Lake Albert in the way, the biggest lake here in Uganda, apart from Lake Victoria, that is partially here in Uganda. So it's where the river Nile actually produces this big lake. So it's one of the highlights of our day today. Hopefully we get a chance to fly a drone and see it from a bird's perspective. So we shall get going, because we never get going otherwise. And please join us on our journey. Are you well?
Yeah.
You going to school?
Yeah.
Good job. How was your night?
It was good.
Thank you.
Thank you. No, we just wanted to see it. Is there like, which are there will be like a tickets? Yeah? Podjeżdżamy. Trzeba zapłacić.
Viewing the falls.
Yes.
It is $10. Then hiking it is 15.
No, we're not hiking. We're only going
Yeah,
seeing.
yeah. So you're going to pay $10 each.
Here?
Yes, you
Okay.
pay from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine.
So we pay by the card.
Yeah, if you have the card, you have mobile money.
Yeah, that's okay. Golden lizard.
Lovely day, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
And off he went, never to be seen again. Just joking. He's been in that hut for a long time. There he is. I thought you disappeared. Where are you going? And we finally arrived. Welcome to Murchison Falls. We will try to make the best out of it and show you the falls as close as we can, but the viewpoint is quite far, so we'll see. This is where we are parked. Doesn't look too spectacular, but let's go and have a look. Oh my god, we are here. That is some view, and the camera is definitely not giving it away. Look at this now, oh my gosh. Wow.